Hello, and how are you? Let me ask you a simple question. How would you feel if you could save money on all your purchases and completely for free? Yes, I'm talking about being able to earn money back buying any product or services in the most prestigious online stores in the world, in shopping centers, and small and medium enterprises in your own city. Always with the best discounts and promotions. I am talking about the largest community on earth that gives you discounts, advantages, and promotions like nowhere else. Millions of people around the world already use it. In it, you can save on online stores like AliExpress, eBay, Groupon, Nike, Adidas, Booking, and 100 more. But also in the small store in your neighborhood that's right around the corner. The shopping community has been active for more than 15 years and has helped millions of buyers like you and me to save money every single day. In addition, if you wish, you can also benefit by inviting your friends. On the other hand, you can increase your sales and customers' loyalty if you have a small or medium business, but about this we'll talk about in the next future, or you can consult with your personal advisor. That's the person who's registering you once you have activated your account. Thank you so much for watching this video, and the topic that we are going to talk about today is Adidas in United Kingdom. So, being located in United Kingdom and logged in your cashback account, the only thing that you have to do is search for Adidas. You are going to have the result. I highly recommend you to read the terms and conditions. You have the description also, and you have to click shop online now, and you are going to be redirected in UK Adidas. If you already have an account, you have to log in your account. In the case that you don't have an account, you can create one, and for one simple click you are going to receive a lot of benefits. In this case, in United Kingdom you have 2% cashback and 1.5 shopping points per every £90. So how I told you, once you are logged in your account in Adidas shop, you just go on with the purchase like always do, but with the discounts, with the benefits that you have from part of cashback being a smart user. You choose whatever you want to buy. I'm not registered in UK, so I'm just showing you what you have to do. You have to add to bag. You continue the purchase like always, but you are going to receive the great benefits from part of cashback being a smart user. If you are not yet a smart cashback user, just follow us on this video and you are going to see exactly how you can register for free and get a lot of benefits, not only in Adidas, in a lot of another online stores, great chains, and small and medium enterprises that are just around the corner in your village, in your town, or wherever you go in 47 countries. As you will be able to see, all the discounts appears in your account in a very simple way and fully detailed. As you can see in the video, for any purchase that you make, the discount will appear and it will be reflected in your personal back office. Moreover, if you are in a hurry to be part of this exclusive community, stay still, because right now I will explain you how to join us so that you can access all the discounts and promotions active in your country right away. The first thing is to access the registration form. You will find the link in the description. Remember that you must enter your real data, since the discounts will be received cash in your bank account. Once you are there, the first thing you should do is choose your country. Okay? In this case, we're going to choose United States of America. After that, you choose Mr., Mrs., your first name, your last name, your date of birth, your phone number, and the email. Depending on the country, you will be asked for your ID number or not, for your direction, and for each country applies different information. Once you have filled out all your data, it is very important that you check all the boxes to accept the terms and conditions, accept that you want to receive information such as discounts and promotions, and the box as your sponsor invited you, which in this case is myself. In this way, you will be part of my community and I will be able to give you all the support and help that you need. Once you have filled in all the data and marked all the boxes, you can click on the next button and remember to confirm the email that will arrive at your email address. Check your spam folder also, and once you are active, you will be able to see my contact details. You go to your profile, my settings, and right here you are going to see the details of your personal recommender. And in this case, we can maintain a fluent communication and solve all your doubts or questions. Thank you very much for watching this video and welcome to the largest community of discounts and advantages on the planet. See you inside.